Hi, I'm Dr. Tolu at alliance.md.orlando, and today I'll be talking about hormone replacement. We're a health and beauty clinic located in Orlando, right on Mills Avenue. Millions of Americans are unfortunately dealing with hormone problems. Symptoms include excessive fatigue, excessive tiredness, weight gain, lack of sexual performance, difficulty in concentration, and mood swings. Hormone deficiency is a huge problem, and if left unaddressed, can cause a lot of frustration and unhappiness. Well, at Alliance MD Clinic, we do a free hormonal consultation. You come into the clinic, we talk about your health, your treatment goals, and then we do some blood tests. These blood tests will tell us whether you're deficient in a type of hormone, and then we can start you on a replacement therapy. Replacement is usually done by pellets, which are bioidentical hormones that are inserted right underneath the skin, and you get treated and you feel better as soon as possible. You don't have to continue to suffer. Give us a call or click on the link below to start on your journey for hormone replacement today.